Today at Mullin Machinery we have a standard Mullin Series 3000 lathe, 15-inch swing, 50-inch centers, has hardened ways, all original paint. Machine came out of a school. The ways are perfect. There's no grooves, scratches, chips or anything. D16 spindle with a, that's got to be at least a 10-inch 4-jaw chuck, Burnard. Machine will also come with a 3-jaw chuck, inch-only threading, spindle speeds from 30 to 1800 RPM. Off the top of my head, I don't recall what the spindle hole is. You can check on my website, but that looks like 2 1/8, 2 1/4, somewhere in that neighborhood. Has a Dorian Toolpost with a holder on it, taper attachment, steady rest, Morse taper number 4 tailstock. Oh, we got well built and simple machine. Right now, I believe, let's see what speed we got this in. This looks like probably low speed 80 RPM. You can go to the high range. Should be 900 RPM. Let's see. 340 RPM. RPM. Reverse works fine. This does the threading. We're feeding the wrong way. I have to flip the thing, but the half nuts are engaging fine. Then there's the high speed range. You have to rock it, make sure it's engaging. High speed, this should be 96. This is 680. And then 60. Very slow. I don't want to run it on 1800 RPM with a 4-jaw, but I can run it in that range. It would be 254. 254 RPM. Very important on this machine, whenever you shift to high and low, you got to rock the chuck and feel it engage. If you don't feel it engage, you grind the gear. As long as you feel it engage, you flip the thing, it should be fine. check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.